leadership, that type of leadership, and appreciate the President's telephone call. And if we do need something, I've got the number and I'll be sure to use it. As of this afternoon, there were about 2,800 residents in state and local shelters, and the 4 state-supported shelters have about 1,800 residents. County shelters have not yet reached capacity in most of the state, so residents should continue to use the state as the last stop after friends and family, municipality, and county. Right now, our stand-up state shelters are safe, they're staffed, stocked with food, water, and medications. And again, you can go to nj211.org, nj211.org to find shelter locations by county if you need to get one now. A few things in closing, and I'll take your questions. If you are in the Barrier Islands still, I want to go back to this. Do not try to get out now unless you have information that there is a completely safe way to get out. The flooding is significant on the barriers, and you're putting yourself in danger. The best advice I can give you now, after you having ignored our advice all along, is to get to the highest point possible in the shelter you're in, and to hunker down until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then to call authorities to ask to be rescued. And we'll put you in queue behind the other people that we need to rescue, and we'll get those swift water boat folks out there to begin urban search and rescue. To look to see, given how quickly the storm started to move now, and maybe by tomorrow early evening, the ability to start to look at damage assessment and see what we can do about beginning to assemble recovery teams. So that's where we are now. I'm happy that the storm has moved more quickly. I think it will help us, especially with flooding being less severe than it might.